Hello everyone, welcome to Kabir Hush. We will be starting with section 301 of IPC. 301 कहता है culpable homicide by causing death of a person other than person whose death was intended. So if a person by doing anything which he intends or knows to be likely to cause death commits culpable homicide by causing the death of any person whose death he neither intend nor knows himself to be likely to cause, the culpable homicide committed by the offender is of the description of which it would have been if he had caused the death of the person whose death he intended or knew himself to be likely to cause. अब सेक्शन 302 क्या कहता है? पनिशमेंट फॉर मर्डर as per under section 300. punishment for murder क्या है? Whoever commits murder shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. Constitutional validity इसकी क्या है? Constitutionally of death sentence upheld बच्चन सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 1982. रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर केस में गाइडलाइंस है, गाइडलाइंस which are to be kept in view when considering the question whether the case belonged to the rarest of the rare category indicated मच्छी सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 1983 के में नॉन रेमिटेबल स्पेशल कैटेगरी सेंटेंस है, वारंटेडनेस ऑफ non-remittable special category sentence in substitution of death sentence laid down. Swami श्रद्धानंद वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका 2008 का केस लॉ है. Review of death sentence cases in open court. The fundamental right to the under Article 21 of the Constitution, viewed in the light of irreversibility of death sentence, mandates that review of death sentence should be in open court and not by circulation. Further, the number of death review cases before Supreme Court are roughly 60% per annum, 60 per annum, and therefore the Supreme Court should be able to manage the same by limited oral hearing of 30 minutes. Such a procedure for review of death sentence cases is in compliance with the principle of due process of law, is just, fair and reasonable, which would not be so if review by circulation is adopted instead of such moral hearing. Furthermore, considering procedure laid down under Order 6, Rule 3 of the Supreme Court Rules 2013, pending and future review petitions against death sentence confirmed by Supreme Court shall be heard by benches of 3 judges after giving the counsel a maximum of 30 minutes to make oral submission. This special procedure shall also apply where a review petition has been already dismissed but death sentence has not yet been executed. It would also apply to TADA cases where review petition has been dismissed but death sentence not executed. Petitioner can apply for reopening of review petition within 1 month for the date of this judgment. However, in those matters which a curative petition has been dismissed, it would not be proper to reopen such matter. Muhammad Arif versus Supreme Court of India 2014 का केस लॉ है ये. फिर mitigating circumstances क्या कहते हैं? When offences in gruesome and has been committed in a calculated, cold-blooded and diabolical manner, age of accused may not be relevant factor. Means age of accused may not be relevant factor under Shabnam versus State of UP 2015. Compassionate grounds are not available in cases of calculated cold-blooded murders. Shabnam versus State of UP 2015. aggravating circumstances क्या है? Gang rape and murder by person interest is an additional aggravating circumstances for abort of death sentence. Purushottam Dasharath Borate versus State of Maharashtra 2015. Conviction for previous similar offense can be considered as an aggravating circumstances. Honor killing. Honor killings, for whatever reason, come within the category of the rarest of rare case deserving death punishment, as circumstantial evidence clearly established. Singular conclusion that anger of brother on involvement of sister with deceased, a person of lower caste, was the only motive behind murder, and the crime was committed in a planned and cold-blooded manner. Because of this unwarranted superiority feeling based on caste, life imprisonment by trial court converted to minimum non-remittable fixed term of 25 years by High Court. Held appropriate. Vikas Yadav versus State of UP 2016. Death sentence for rape. In this case of brutal, barbaric gang rape, unnatural sex, and assault leading to death of victim, principles of balancing of aggravating and mitigating circumstances applied and death sentence confirmed, even though there were many mitigating factors. Mukesh versus State of Delhi 2017. फिर उसके बाद imposition of death sentence based on circumstantial evidence, law summarized, is same as Bachchan Singh case 1980. Sudham versus State of Maharashtra 2019. फिर उसके बाद फिर डेथ सेंटेंस. Legislature has distanced itself for propounders of no death sentence in no circumstances theory as recently in 2019. Significantly, by 2019 amendment of Section 6 POSCO Act 2012, death sentence has been introduced as a penalty for offence of aggravated penetrative sexual assault on a child below 12 years. If Parliament, armed with adequate facts and figures, has decided to introduce capital punishment for the offence of sexual abuse on child in 2019, the court to will bear in mind the latest legislature policy, even though it has no applicability in a case where the offences was committed prior thereto. Judicial precedents rendered before the recent amendment of 2019 came into force, therefore ought to be viewed with a purposive approach, so that the legislature and judicial approach as well as harmonized. Ravi versus State of Maharashtra 2019 का केस लॉ है. फिर death sentence held can be awarded in appropriate cases. The act that case is based on circumstantial evidence cannot be itself be a ground for not awarding death sentence. Victims owing to their tender age can put up no resistance, thus it is likely that there would be no ocular evidence. No awarding death sentence for lack of ocular evidence, even if case proved beyond a reasonable doubt, and if case satisfied all requirements for award of death sentence, it is not a correct approach. Such reasoning, if applied uniformly and mechanically, will have devastating effects on society, which is dominated stakeholder in the administration of our criminal justice system. Ravi Shankar versus State of MP 2019. Execution of death warrant. Shabnam versus Union of India 2015. Sentence. Once accused is convicted with aid of Section 34 IPC, there is no justification to single out accused for differential treatment for sentencing. Shamim versus State of Delhi 2018. Duty of court before awarding conviction against accused for offences under section 302, court should be mindful of fact that there should be no room to suspect evidence of key prosecution witness based on whose evidence conviction is being awarded. As a general rule, while appreciating evidence in a criminal case, court should bear in mind that it is not quantity but quality of evidence that is matter. Shankar versus State of MP 2018. Then circumstantial evidence of last seen together, that is Ravi versus State of Karnataka. Murder or culpable homicide not amounting to murder, single ball injury. State of Rajasthan versus Kanhaiya Lal. Post conviction mental illness of accused, death row convict. Mental Health Care Act 2017. X versus State of Maharashtra. Minimum sentence under section 302 is life imprisonment. Any punishment less than life imprisonment are prescribed under section 302 IPC if awarded by any court as per say illegal and without authority of law. Bharat Kumar Ramesh Chandra Barot versus State of Gujarat 2018. Standard of proof required for conviction in murder case. Chain of evidence must be so far complete as not to leave any reasonable ground for the conclusion consisting with the innocence of the accused person. Factual circumstances and inference must be compatible with singular hypothesis wherein all the intermediate facts and the case itself are proved beyond reasonable doubt. Suresh versus State of Haryana 2018. Extrajudicial confection. Suresh versus State of Haryana. Minor discrepancy. Rohtas versus State of Haryana 2019. Medical evidence of throttling, strangulation and hanging, rape, sodomy and murder of minor. Dying declaration when can form sole basis of conviction. Right of private defense. Appeal against acquittal. Murder, rape and robbery. So these are the punishments and the case laws under section 302.